All right, good morning, guys. So basically, this morning, LIVE, as you guys can see, LIVE basically was number one right there on the Gap scanner. If you guys do not have trade ideas, you might want to get trade ideas. Now, of course, this one is a little bit higher in price range than I normally trade, but when it's number one, I'm not going to not take a look at it. So it had all the signs, all the buying signs that I normally look for, except for one, which is the price. So basically, I was watching it right below go time, and I identified this area right there as a problem area, and then this was the next problem area. So of course, I'm going to sell when it comes to the problem area. So how do I find the problem area? So basically, you go to your daily chart and you basically look backwards. You look backwards to see where it went, where it came into some issues. So this is how I normally do it. I go to my daily chart and then I look all the way back. I look all the way back. As you can see, this area right there, this is an area where it had an issue and it slammed down. So if you look, that's where I drew my line. And then before that area, you can look and let's go back a little bit further. So we have this area as a problem area. And then if you zoom in right here in this section, okay, so you can see this was the problem area that I drew. This is the next problem area. Let's zoom in a little bit closer so you guys can see. Okay, so this is a problem area before it came down. This is a problem area before it came down. This is a problem area before it came down. This is a problem area before it came down. So and so on and so on. So that's basically how I do it. This would have been another problem area right there. Um, I didn't draw. But all I'm looking for, I'm not looking for it to move all the way up there, obviously. I'm just looking to take a quick 35 to 45 cents every day. So this is how I identify the problem areas. I know these areas are going to be some issue. So what do I want to do? I want to sell before it comes to that problem area or right there. So as you guys can see, this 32.95 area is a problem, and I sold at 32.87. If you look, 32.87. So I want to sell right at that problem area or right before it gets to it. I'm letting it go. Then if it goes above it, then I might want to wait for a pullback and then jump in. But that's typically how it goes. Let's go back to our 1 minute chart. So if you can see, this thing right here is ready to go. It's very strong, made a very big move. So I'm anticipating another big move. So I'm going to play the video so you guys can watch. I mean, all the buying signs were there. It's number one. Yes, the price is a little bit higher, but you got to take that risk when everything is kind of lining up. And there was nothing really else to trade. So I figured everybody else would be on this one. So now let's go back to, let me show you guys this little video here. So let's push play. So right now I'm thinking, okay, as soon as it jumps above here, I'm just going to take an early start. And as soon as it's heading towards this line right there, I'm going to jump out, right? This is a problem area, so I want to get out. All right, so let's play this video. As you can see, I just jumped in, and as soon as it pops right there, boom, I'm selling. It was literally that fast, 4 seconds. Let's watch this again. I'm in, and I'm out. It's like 4 seconds later, I was in and out, and as you can see, um, I was in at $31, and then I got out at 32.87, which gave me a grand total of 7,480. Not bad for 4 seconds. Yeah, it is 4 seconds because I got in at 9:30:08 and I got out at 9:30:12. It was very good. I mean, the market's been doing the same thing every day. It's basically been popping up and then slamming all the way back down. So my thing was, let me just jump in early, take this pop, and then sell and go home. And that's it. Just take the trade, call it a day, turn everything off. All right. So that's been my strategy for this week because sometimes you know when you're watching the market and it's doing the same thing over and over and over, you want to adjust your style based on what the market conditions are. And that's basically what I did today. And, it worked out pretty good. Let's watch this video one more time. You guys can see clearly. I'm watching for it to go above this candle. I jump in. It pops up, and I know this is a problem area. I jump out. And that was it. Simple. All right, guys. Hope you guys got some value out of this one. Hit the like button. I appreciate the like button. Again, I'm not really a big YouTuber. I'm not some YouTuber. But I do like to post videos here and there. Only if I get likes. But if I don't get likes, I'll probably keep making my money and just not post videos. So the likes motivate me. All right. So I'll chat with you guys another day.